In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your PayPal password. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and what to click so you can change your password safely and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Sign into your account the way you normally do so you land on your main PayPal dashboard. This is the summary page where you can see your balance and recent activity. Make sure you're on the official PayPal site and that the web address starts with HTTPS for security. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page for the small gear icon. This is the settings button. Click that gear icon to open your account settings. This is where you can manage personal information, login details, and various security features. Inside settings, you'll see several tabs. Look for the tab labeled Security and click on it. The security section is dedicated to things like your password, two-step verification, and other safety tools to keep your account protected. In the security section, find the line that refers to your password. On that line, there will be an option that says Update. Click the Update button next to password to start the process of changing it. You'll now see a form with a few fields. In the first field, type your current PayPal password. This step confirms that it's really you making the change. Take your time and make sure you enter it correctly. If you're unsure, type it slowly, or use the option to show the characters if it's available and you're on a private device. Next, click into the field labeled New Password and type the password you want to use from now on. Choose something strong that you don't use on other websites. A good password usually combines upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, but still something you can remember. Then move to the confirmation field. Click there and type the exact same new password again. This double entry helps catch any typing mistakes and ensures your new password is set exactly as you intend. When all three fields are filled out correctly, look for the button that says Change Password and click it. PayPal will process the request, and if everything matches, your password will be updated. From this point on,